Hey everybody, look what arrived. Even though it's Family Day in Canada, or at least Ontario, these still made it here today. I've been waiting for these so that I can rebuild my heads. Just so you know, every single one of the previous ones looks like this, completely destroyed. And they're kind of hard plastic and brittle. So I can rebuild my heads, get all the valves back in today. Also, I'm going to clean this up and then temporarily put it back on the block so that I can clean the rest of the block without all the shrapnel going inside. At some point I'll need to get a new oil pump pickup because the mesh in that is completely destroyed and not going to stop anything getting into the system. So that needs to get replaced. Lots to do, we're going with it. Okay, that's enough of that for now. I'll give it another wipe down with a better degreaser before I paint it. But for now, I've got the big chunks of oil, old paint, everything off. So now I can get on with the fun stuff, getting the valves back in their heads. Meanwhile, yeah, it's a lovely, lovely winter's day in Canada land. If a bit murdery out there. But hey, can't beat the blue sky. Okay, on with the work. Okay, let's see if I can reinstall all these valves in order of installation. Valve comes up through the guide. Umbrella seal goes on over the top. Spring, retainer, whatever that is, bearing type thing. Fuck, missed a bit. Valve stem seal. Valve stem seal, yeah. That will go on in that order. Okay, let's see how that works. I'll do it from this angle. Do it there. Okay. Okay, here we go. Number one. First valve. Going to dip it in some engine oil. Bring it up through the hole. Umbrella seal over the top. Now. Oh, get on. spring, retainer, bearing, rotator, I don't know what it's called. Clamp it down, or compress it, I suppose. Pretty much have to compress this all the way in order to get the stem seal on, which is this little guy. He goes down the second groove. Not all of the small block Chevys have got this type of valve and seal, but this one does. So push it down past the first groove, locate it on the second groove. Next is the retainers, a little dab of grease. Just so that they stick onto the groove. Bigger dab of grease than that, I think. Don't be a dick. More grease. Just spin them around a little bit, make sure they're in properly. Release the compressor, and that should be number one done. And of course, make sure you wear safety glasses when you're doing this. It's not worth losing an eye. There we go. One done. Lovely jubbly. Right, 15 more to do. Right, so that's all done. Don't think I've screwed anything up. No extra parts. So, I think I'll probably just temporarily put these on the engine just to stop any oxidization on the pistons, because the next thing I need to do is replace the oil pump pickup. It's a bit worn, so I'll need to wait for one of them. Bit more cleaning up to do. Need to clean that, and then paint the block, and that'll be pretty much that ready. Awesome. Happy times.